Yes, and fancy cars, all sorts of food and fun. And thank you for listening to the Oasis.
I got so many women I don't know which way to jump.
my God, it's Joe, dude. What's up, man?
Good to see
How you
man.
doing, bud?
Hey, this is Joe Osutch with Arizona 4x4 Off-Road Recovery out here in Phoenix at Nancy Perry Production Car Show at Westgate. And here he's out walking around filming people. And here I have both trucks here. Today we got Marvin, the newer addition to the Off-Road
This is
Recovery
Marvin
family.
right here?
This is Marvin. It's got sitting on 37s. It's got the diesel motor. It's a 2009 Ford F350 Super Duty.
So what do you do with this, man? You rescue crazy people out there in the desert?
People love to go four-wheel, and that's one thing cool about Arizona. Only 20% of the land in Arizona is owned by the corporate.
Lower, Nancy, lower.
Lovely tender, lovely sweet.
Hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ, taking a moment out of this video to remind you to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit that notification bell to be reminded of any upcoming videos that we will be uploading here on the channel. In the meantime, folks, remember what to say in Eric's Garage AZ land: drive it like you stole it, bitches. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more right here on Eric's Garage AZ.